Okay, so this is for the what is this? Graphing rational equations project. And I'm taking a video, I'll upload on YouTube, and then you're gonna see it integrated just like last time. So I'm doing question number 2, which is f of x equals x minus 2 over x minus 4. And I'm gonna graph it. Alright, so first you need to do, find the isotopes. Now to find the isotopes, let's find the horizontal first. So for the horizontal, you are supposed to get the highest degree of these two equations and also factor both of them if you can. But in this case, they're both factored already. You can't factor this. So you're supposed to look at the highest degree, and then if they're equal, which is in this case they are, you're supposed to find the variable next to the first, no, I'm sorry, the number next to the first variable, and you're supposed to divide those two by, how these are set up. So in this case, technically, if there's nothing in front of the x, it's a 1. So this would equal 1 divided by 1, which is just 1. And that, sorry for the noise background, that is our horizontal isotope. So, sorry, y equals 1. And so what we do with the horizontal isotope is we just get the y line, my bad, and then you locate where 1 is, because y equals 1. This is just the horizontal isotope. And then you're supposed to draw a straight line through it. Now, let me see if I can draw this straight enough. So I try to draw a line to my best of ability straight, and well, I guess we're just not gonna get any better than that. Okay, and to find the vertical isotope, all you need to do is get the denominator equal to 0, and then whatever you get, that's your vertical isotope. So in this case, it will be x minus 4 equals 0, right? And then so just plus 4 on both sides, and then that would equal 2. 4. So that's your vertical isotope. Not that complicated. So same thing with the vertical isotope, you just find it on the x line this time, since it's going that way, and then you just draw a line. Now I'm gonna try to draw a line again. Hope it goes well. Okay. There's my lines. Sorry for the background noise. Okay, after you draw the isotopes, so the isotopes, all these mean is that these lines are technically whatever we try to graph, so it will look something like that, and then the lines are going to look like they're about to touch the isotope, but they're technically not, because they're just never touching, like just the decimal just keep getting bigger, so they'll never hit 0, or they'll never hit like the isotopes. So that's what the point is. And so to get the next answer, which is to draw the lines, all you need to do is just pick a number on the x and y, preferably on all 4 sides, just to make sure. But we're just gonna do this one All right, no, sorry. Okay, so first thing you do is you solve for the x-intercept and y-intercept. Now I have solved this equation already, so I know there is no y-intercept, so we're just gonna solve the x-intercept for now, because I do not want to spend a lot of time on this. Sorry. So it's just 0 equals x minus 2, and then x minus 4. And what's that equal to? Well, x minus 4 times, you multiply both on this side, and that will literally be 0, because anything times by 0 is 0. And x minus 2, and then you just do plus, and 2 equals x. And then so this would be a point where our graph, which is going to look something like that, is going to hit. Now let's do this side to find our other lines points. So I'm just going to pick 6. By the way, you can pick any of these numbers to get points, but I'm just going to pick 6 for now because 6 just works out well. So you got the x-intercept. So if you're gonna choose a random number on the graph to find the, where the lines are supposed to hit, you do, well, it's really just y equals, x equals, and then you just plug in the number to x. In this case, I chose 6, so it's 6 minus 2, and 6 minus 4 over that, right? And then so this will be 4 over 2, and then x will equal to 2. And then so you go to 6 right here. Actually, you should probably put that as y, but it wouldn't really matter. So you go here, find 6, the number you plugged in, and then go up 2, because you got to when you plugged 6 in, right? So you got your point. Preferably, I would choose another point. Actually, let's try just one time, 5, just because I want to. So okay, 5. We're choosing 5. So 5. So it's 5 minus 2 and 5 minus 4 equals. Let's do equals y this time. And this will be 5 minus 2, 3, and 5 minus 1, 1. And this will be 5, and then 3 are right here. And then so okay, so let's do one more here. Let's do 3. So 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1 equals y. No, sorry, 3 minus 4. So that will be 1 over -3. No, -1. So that will be -1. So you just go, well, 1 unit down for this one. And so basically the gist of it is, once you get enough points to the point that you feel comfortable, like making the little line graph, all you do is just put it close here, and then draw a line, and then connect these 2 points, and then just keep going. Just next to the lines. Oh my gosh, this looks messy. And same for this too. You just keep going by the line, but don't actually touch it. And then connect the points, and then just keep going till the graph ends. Just don't keep the points. And this graph would look something like this.